how to share internet connection via Ethernet tethering on Samsung Galaxy A series. Okay, you can see once I have shared the internet connections, I can browse on here using my mobile phone. Now on your phone, make sure you have turned on mobile data. So at the moment I have 4G, or you can have 5G. Make sure you turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. After that, we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to look for Ethernet, so type in Ethernet. So Ethernet tethering, it is in connections. So Ethernet tethering, and we go down here and we want to turn it on. Now you can see at the moment it is disabled, so you will need to connect to the computer. Okay, so with this adapter right here, it allows me to connect the network cable into the adapter, and here I'll connect it to my Galaxy A series. This is actually the Galaxy A53, but it will work with other Galaxy A models as well. So connect them. Once you connect it, it will become enabled, and then tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Once it is turned on your computer, you should see there is a network icon right here. This is a LAN network. Now if you have Wi-Fi turned on, then it will use Wi-Fi. However, if your computer does not have Wi-Fi, then it should show this icon right there. Now if I turn off Ethernet tethering, then this should be disabled shortly. Now you can see down here it shows the internet icon with no internet access. So if I activate it, then it becomes active. And that's it. Once you have done that, you can now browse the internet. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.